What's going on, traders? Fella back at it. Late night, quick video tonight. How's everybody doing today? Quick video. I just want to talk about QS, you guys, and how I believe in selling the news is better than buying the news. I've been doing this for probably about 7 years, you guys, right now, and some of you guys probably been my subscribers since like 5, 6 years ago. Since I started this YouTube channel. And to me, I always like to be transparent, keep it real, try to add value to people here and there. The whole thing is, you guys, over the years, like I always get messages from people on Twitter, Facebook, etc. And they say like, how do you buy breakouts? Like a lot of people fail the breakouts. Like I tell them, usually I anticipate breakouts. But the whole thing is you gotta watch it. You gotta watch the charts and the price action. Price action dominates everything, you guys. Like all that news is kind of important. Like you want to have news in the background, but you just don't want to buy something because of the news. You don't want to buy. Oh, I seen a news article, so I'm buying. Like a lot of times I've seen that over the years. Like they just sell into the news. Like even upgrades, a lot of times analyst upgrades. You're like, oh, analyst upgrades, and then you'll see a lot of selling into it, a lot of selling into it. One thing about the market, there is a lot of manipulation. You just gotta learn how to work around it, around the manipulation, or kind of follow. It's kind of messed up to say, but kind of follow the manipulation. If like, you know what I'm trying to say, but like the bottom line is follow the tape, the price action, and basically sell the news. And another thing I wanted to talk about is review your trades, you guys. Like and write down. Like right now, I'm just reviewing this trade I did over QS, and it was okay. Like I traded this a couple times. Almost I think $1,000 on the day. Let's see. I left something. I left something open. Let's see. Where is it? Oh yeah, I left 100 shares open, you guys. So just to see if tomorrow if it double bottoms, I might add on to it. Yeah, but $938 on the day. Let me make this bigger. Just I don't want to talk about the money, but let's talk about the trades. I put apply trades so you guys could see like what happened with this trade. You can see at 16:49 right here. What day was this? Let me go back. Oh yeah, you know what? Before that, let's look at a bigger chart, right? I talked about this on my last video right here, you guys. But this thing wasn't a trend line, right? So I was anticipating the breakout because we had like a triple top back here under 18. If you guys look back, always look to the left, you guys. You see like one, two, three times you couldn't crack over this, then uh, and then right here, one, two here. Let me zoom it in so you guys could see what I'm talking about a little better. Okay, one, two, like triple top right here. So there's going to be a lot of shorts here, a lot of shorts here, a lot of shorts in here. A lot of shorts are like I was watching a video on MSNBC the other day. Some big hedge fund is even shorting this. So and I was watching them like on the times you can see huge shorts in this thing, right? So I was buying and selling along this trend line because I'm like, you know what? If they fail to get a new low, they're gonna, some of them are gonna start covering. So I was just buying into their covering for the past few days, buying and selling, buying and selling. Yesterday again, I bought the little breakout overnight. Let me make it a little 2 minute chart so you guys could see. 2 minutes. Let's do a 10-day 2 minute chart. Okay. And then you want to review your trades to see what you could have did better. Like you see, my first purchase right here was 16.49 on a break, anticipating the break of the 50 the next day, which it happened. The thing is, like I made a mistake. I overslept that day, like I said in my last video, and I didn't take initial target where I wanted to. So the next day, I took profits at 16.99 because it broke the 17. But then when I seen they held the trend and held the 17 area, I got right back in it again. You can see 600 shares I purchased right here. 1703 was the average. And then it was holding, holding, holding. And this is when I started. I got rid of some of the shares, 400 from the morning. Got rid of 400 shares at the morning spike, you guys. But then I started accumulating shares because I was just watching the tape and there's a lot of accumulation, a lot of accumulation. I was like, wow, there's a lot of big prints coming in on the tape. Even though the volume didn't show too much, but the tape was giving me signals to. Let me let me make this bigger. So you guys see, I got rid of 400 shares right here. I sold a little too early, you guys, but that was part of my plan. It went above my target. And my next plan was like, okay, if it breaks out this area, holds me up, I'm gonna start accumulating. Especially when I seen all the accumulation on the tape. So I started I was like a little at a time. So you guys could see I purchased 100 at the when VWAP held. I purchased 50 again. I purchased 50 again. Even when VWAP broke, I purchased 50 again, 50 again, 50 again right here, and my risk was gonna be this area right here, right below this. So I was gonna have like a 50-cent risk to like a dollar reward. I said if this thing breaks the trend, this thing's gonna squeeze hugely. And the rumor has been for the past few days like stock twists and twitters. I just like to look around to see what the rumor is because you know a lot of times they say buy the rumor, sell the news, right? You hear this over the years in trading. So I was looking at this and I was like, okay, so if any type of news come out, all those short guys that I showed you guys on the triple bottom, all those people short would have to cover, especially a hedge fund like that. He'll be huge covering. So I was just waiting, and then I was actually at work, and then I look up and then boom, you guys, this is what happened. All this volume came in huge, and then from 1780, we're all the way to 500 to 1950. You guys can see I got rid of my 500 shares almost near the top. I don't want to say the top, but at 1927. Why, you guys? Because I believe in sell the news, you guys. I don't believe in buying the news. If you would have bought the news right here, you could have got out, but you have to be really quick. But you'll be down under, or you'll be at break even. If I show you guys what the news that came out was, it says Porsche is reported working with Quantum Scope to develop an electric 911 powered by solid state. So they're working with Porsche, and as soon as they came out, I was like, wow. So when I seen the tape getting weaker and weaker, I started selling into it, you guys. So I got rid of the 500 shares. I did leave 100 shares on the table, just $65. I said, okay, if this thing bottoms tomorrow, I was gonna add on 100 shares here, but then the time ran out. So I was like, if this thing comes back and gives me a double bottom at 18 tomorrow, I might I might add on some, if it's like a two try failure or something. But the whole lesson is, you guys, here is review your trades. Like, what if I look back and I say, what could I have did better? I could have took my profits right here, and I could have been more patient right here and added at the trend line to get a better average. And instead of maybe $935 today, I would have made like maybe not to thinking about the money, but I could have made an extra point or two. Let's just say. So overall, it is a good trade, you guys. Squeeze back, but remember, you guys, buy the rumor, sell the news. That's what I've been seeing over this past 7 years. If you wanna play news plays, please watch the tape. Bottom line is price action. Don't forget, you guys. Bottom line is the price action. Trade the ticker, like my old friend Tim Grattani used to say. Plan the trade. Trade the plan. Peace out.